On today's menu, a recipe so delicious and so incredibly easy, you'll feel like your kitchen skills are on fire. Roasted red salsa. Lei Homa, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This recipe is so delicious, so easy, you'll never buy another jar of salsa again. Roughly chop half a red onion and place it on a baking sheet. Three pieces garlic. For this salsa, I'm using 2 green and 3 red jalapeno peppers. Remove or keep the seeds depending on how spicy you'd like your salsa. Place the peppers on the baking sheet. 3 Roma tomatoes. Place in the oven and broil on low until the veggies start to blacken. Flip the veggies around and broil on low again until the other sides are blackened. That amazing char is just going to add an incredible flavor. Blender. Peppers. Garlic and onion. Tomatoes. Generous pinch of salt. About a packed quarter cup of cilantro. Drizzle of olive oil. Pulse and blend the salsa on medium. Plate. Garnish with a little more cilantro. You can now make this incredible salsa with absolute confidence. Not only was that super easy to make, but that is just beautiful to look at. So colorful. That is so crazy flavorful. It was amazing. It's a little bit spicy because we left about the seeds of about 3 of those jalapeno peppers, but that is totally okay. That is really delicious. It's so crazy how you just took a few simple, humble ingredients and in just a few minutes turned it into something so incredibly flavor-packed and just beautiful to look at. Has the incredible flavor and the char from the garlic, the onions, the freshness from the cilantro, the acidity and sweetness from the tomatoes. Just works really well together. It's a bit salty, it's a bit spicy and sweet. That is really, really delicious. How simple and easy to put together was that? That is just fantastic. By the way, if you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. And if you love simple recipes like this one, then you'll definitely want to pick up your free ebook that I've put together just for you that has 5 super easy, unintimidating, plant-based recipes to help you get started with cooking today. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And in that same link, you can watch the entire first class of my new plant-based sushi making masterclass. That is a 5-class series designed and curated to help you make incredibly delicious, stunning plant-based sushi right at home. You can check that out in the link in the description box below. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.